Good morning, everybody. It's Labor Day morning here at the Gran Destino Tower at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. We're just hanging out down here. It's the last morning of our little short vacation. I got a coffee. Barcelona Lounge is one of my favorite places to get coffee, but we're going to give you a quick room tour this morning, so let's get going. All right, here we are, really close to the elevator. It's room 519 at Gran Destino, so let's take a look inside. All right, when you open the door here, all right, the first thing you're going to notice here when you step inside is how nice and wide the foyer, the hall area is. On the left right here, we have a rollaway bed. We have a king bedroom this trip, but if you ever need a rollaway bed, you can request one, and that's kind of what we did on this trip. And so it's nice and tucked away there. They also offered us an air mattress, but we figured that would be a little easier to get in and out of the way. This room doesn't have a door that attaches to another room, so you don't have to worry about that. Right here to the right, you'll see this huge barn-style sliding door, and that is the entrance to the bathroom. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, take a quick look inside. Let's see if it opens a little bit further. There we go. Take a quick look inside. As you can see, love the artwork and detail in here. They still have the H2O products for us. You got two sinks. You got some towels down there. We had plenty of towels on this trip. All right, and here is the shower. I'm gonna open up this door real quick for you. They have the H2O products here as well. They have the string that pulls out. You got two shower heads up there. Again, kind of the matching detail and the artwork and the tile that goes along with the behind the sinks there. You have your spot to put your soaps or rags, whatever you need. This particular room doesn't have like a handrail or anything in there. All right, moving on to the right, you'll see you have a makeup mirror right here, another towel holder, and then here is the toilet area. Nothing overly fancy, but gets the job done. And then also, this pulls out and will lock as well. The only concern I had with this room was this barn style door. I'm going to go ahead and close this for you real quick, and I'll show you again from the outside. Even locked, you can see there's a gap right there where you can kind of see into the room. So that's, if you may not always have full privacy. There's no way to get that completely shut, but just know that that is there if that is a concern. All right, so we're going to step out of here. And as we step out, right here to the left is your closet. You have plenty of hangers there, additional towel and blanket up there. You have your iron right here. You have your ironing boards. You have a stand for your luggage, and then you also have the electronic safe there. Pretty standard for Disney closets. And then here's the room. I love the space in it. I love the kind of the modern Spanish detail of it. Super nice. Again, this is a king bed. Please don't hold it against us. We've already been in here and stayed here. I'm doing this before we leave, so we did the best we could to make it up quick this morning before we go to the parks. But they have a full-length mirror right here on the wall. Have an end table right there. You have your two outlets right here. These are USB, and then these are traditional outlets. Another cool thing, turn this off for a second so you see, they have little reading lights right there. So they automatically come on when you pull them out. So if you want to read, you can read. There's one on each side of the bed there, lights over the bed. We're going to move to the left here. You have your ice bucket, you have your cups, you have your small Keurig coffee maker to make your single cups. Nice, large, long desk. As you see, have a chair right there with a place to work if you need to for your convenience. They also have this little lamp here, which is really cool. It's just a bar, so it's not too bright. And then down here, again, two more traditional plugs, and on the edge, two more USB plugs. Those are just traditional USB plugs. Nice big screen TV. Underneath the TV, that's kind of your dressing area. They have three large drawers there. They're really wide. They're deep as well, so that's nice. And then, right back over here is your cooler for your drinks and things like that. They're going to those small coolers a lot more. All right, moving on to the left side of the bed. Same thing here, lamp, two plug-ins, two USB plug-ins. You got your phone, got things you need, a couple drawers, the Bible there. So we've got everything cleaned out. You have a couch right here. That couch is a little short. I guess it's more of a love seat, but it's a pretty comfortable couch. You have two little coffee tables or stands there you can put things on. And then you have a chair right here. Got your trash, and then you have this tall lamp right here. There are no plug-ins on that lamp, so you'd have to move around. And then last but not least is the size of the windows here. Now this is a standard view, so you're going to be overlooking the parking lot here at Coronado. But as you can see, it's a beautiful morning, and something really cool we got to watch. If you look way off in the distance, right about there, you can see the Hollywood Tower Hotel, and then off in the distance last night, right up here, was a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket took off, and you could actually see it once it got into the air for about a minute. So that was really cool. We got to sit here and watch that last night. But yeah, so this is about do it. And turn around, give you one kind of view of the room here from the window, looking across. So yeah, we really enjoyed our stay here, all the amenities that they have. So it was really enjoyable. It wasn't a long stay, but it's a nice holiday weekend. All right, so that's about another wrap on the room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it today. If you have any questions about Gran Destino Tower, because it is connected to Disney's Coronado Springs Resort, it is part of the same resort, shoot us a message, leave us a comment, let us know. We'll be more than happy to answer those the best that we can for you. And so yeah, we hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it and you're still here at the end, please take a moment to consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It'd mean a lot to us. It'd mean a lot to our small channel, and we appreciate it. It lets us know that we're doing a good job, or that you appreciate what we do. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.